Top foods to avoid for a better tasting vagina. Having trouble keeping your vagina tasting sweet? Then this video is for you. All women sometimes feel unsure about how good their vaginas taste. But the good news is that there are some foods that you can avoid eating in order to make your vagina sweeter tasting. Are you ready to discover these foods to avoid for yourself? Well, pay full attention, take some notes, because here they are. Number 1, coffee. Anything that tastes or smells strong can make your vagina also taste strongly unpleasant. Number 2, alcohol. Alcohols, liquor, beer, wine can change the way your vagina tastes for the worse. It can disrupt the vagina's natural pH balance. Number 3, onions. Onions of any kind can negatively affect your vagina's taste and smell, especially if you eat a lot of them or eat them on a regular basis. Number 4, seafood. Eating seafood can literally make your vagina smell and taste like fish. Avoid eating too much seafood for a better taste. Number 5, red meat. Eating a lot of red meat will make your vagina taste and smell strongly unpleasant. Number 6, dairy products. Most dairy products can disrupt your pH balance and leave your vagina tasting and smelling a little funky, especially if you eat a lot of dairy. So there you have it, the foods you should avoid to create a sweeter tasting vagina. But if you'd like an even better and more powerful results that lead to better sex, then you'll want to use Vtight Gel. Vtight Gel will help you naturally tighten and contract vaginal walls, immediately restore lubrication and eliminate dryness, restore vaginal moisture and suppleness, all leading to better, more enjoyable intimacy. So click the link below in the description box to get Vtight Gel. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and leave a comment or question below. Hope to see you soon. There are even better ways you can have better sex, boost your confidence, and improve your overall sexual health. I put together a free ebook guide that shows you how you can naturally tighten and lubricate your vagina while also achieving more pleasurable orgasms. It's 100% free. You can access it immediately by clicking the link below in the description or by typing into your browser www.naturalsexyhealth.com. Again, you can type into your browser www.naturalsexyhealth.com. I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoyed this video.